Your smart remote not working all the time, or you need to put it very close to the vehicle, maybe multiple clicks, maybe a delayed response when locking and unlocking, or needing to hold the key fob near the push start button on your forward edge. This could be nothing but a weak battery, so stop worrying. Let's change that battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I'll show you step by step in this video with no special tools how to change it, and the only thing you need is a brand new CR2045 battery. Now let's go ahead and knock this out. Take your remote, and you'll notice at the opposite side of your keyhole, you've got that little button right there. Push that bad boy in, and when you do, the emergency key will come out. Take the tip of that key, opposite end where it came out, you get that indentation. You're going to push in there with the emergency key. Now, be mindful, sometimes these do pop open and the batteries go flying. So you're going to take it, twist it, you got it in, twist it again. This one didn't come up all the way, so we're going to use our fingernail and gently pry the two halves apart, and you notice the battery wanted to come out. So dump that battery to the side. Let's go grab it, that one. Then you notice it's a CR2045. Take your battery and you're going to slide it in, push down, but you notice it doesn't want to stay in. Don't worry. This tang right here and here are going to hold that battery in. Now you do have that little tip right here on that remote housing, so it needs to go in first. And then we're going to gently squeeze them together and it'll seat the battery in. Hey, if you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment down below, and remember, let's stay safe down there.